Have you ever wondered how computers can make decisions? Just like us, they need to choose different paths based on what they see. Hey there coding enthusiast, welcome back to the JavaScript from Zero to Hero course. So in today's video, we are diving into a super important topic in JavaScript, conditional statements. Conditional statements help our code decide what to do based on certain conditions. So without wasting any time, let's get started. In JavaScript, we use if, else if, and else to create conditions. Think of it like a traffic light. For example, green light means do something, red light means do something else, and yellow light means check another condition. So let's see it practically in Visual Studio Code. So here in Visual Studio Code, let's create a new conditional statements. Now inside it, I am going to create a new file named conditional statements.js. Perfect. So let's zoom it a little bit to see it more clearly. Yeah. So now let's say we want to grade students by their score. So first, let's create a new variable. Let score with a value 85. So I want to check like if the score is above 90, then the student will get grade A. So let's create our first condition. If the score is greater than and equals to 90. So here we are using comparison operators. If you don't have any idea about operators, then please do check out our operators video. So if the score is greater than and equals to 90, then console.log grade A. Okay, now let's run the code. So in the terminal, you can see we got nothing. But if I change the score to 91 and let's run the code again. So here you can see we got the grade A in the terminal. Now let's write the second condition. Else if score the score is greater than and equals to 80, then console.log grade B. Let's write one more condition. Else if, and we can have as many conditions as we need. So let's add the second condition. If the score is greater than and equals to 70, then console.log grade C. Now the last thing is else statement. So else console.log grade D. Now let's understand the logic. So in the first condition, if the score is above and equals to 90, then it will print grade A. If this condition fails, then it goes to the second condition. Here, it will check if the score is above and equals to 80. If it again fails, then it goes to the third condition, which is if the score is greater than and equals to 70. If it's also get failed, then it will automatically execute else statement. So it will check all the conditions one by one from top to bottom. So now let's run the code. Yeah, so here you can see we got grade A. Now let's change the score to 65 and running the code again. So we got here grade D. Let's set it like 20. So now it will execute the else statement. Yeah. So here we got grade D. And that's it. Now you know how conditional statement works. Conditional statements help us control what our code does based on different situations. You can use them in games, apps, or any program where decisions are needed. Try writing your own examples and see how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. I'll attach a link over there. This video is a part of a JavaScript from Zero to Hero course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.